Hello, this is a summary of the project since last video recording. So we have roughly 310 commits in the past months. So there's a lot of progress made by students, and this video serves as a quick summary about the things has been done. So first, there's two projects um, outside the current GitHub. So I want to point out really quick. The first one is a treadmill project with Frank, and you can see the video right here. Right. So it did the catwalk with a treadmill. So right now you can see the agent is trying to chase him and he has to run in the treadmill. So the idea is you can have physical input well maintained in a Metaverse. Okay, so this is testing. You can see his movement is able to trigger the avatar in a virtual world to move at the same time. Okay, so this is one project. Another project is right here with Kathleen. I think this file is really good, but also the file size is very large. We are not able to put this into GitHub, but you can get a brief idea. So here the avatar is able to navigate through the ancient palace, and you can see other AI controlled NPC. They are following the avatar. You can see all the details within the palace. It's a pretty large model download from Unreal Marketplace. So at some point I will put this project online as well. Okay, so just let you know another project outside GitHub for this Asian palace in Korea. All right. Yeah, the character is using the superhero character, so you might see this in other projects as well. Okay, so these are the two projects outside GitHub. And then I will go through really quick the final changes we made in the GitHub. Hopefully this will be the conclusion of the class. So first, the project we still have the start lobby as the entry point. So if we are play the game, so you are able to see the third-person character with a bunch of dragons. So this is still the same. We still have the Star Wars, so go there. You can see this is still the same one. So she's able to use F to fly. The only thing added is we put a bunch of AI controlled agents. So this is the same one as a demonstration tongue. So this agent is able to see you and try to catch you. So you have to run away from this agent. If you're caught, you die. So that is the logic here. Caught again, you die. Okay, and also here, if you see this is a portal. This portal will allow you to go back to the main lobby. We also did this through a hotkey. Right now is a Control Z. Because not all the level has this portal to go back. So whenever you in another level, Control Z in the keyboard, you can go back to the main lobby. So I can give you a test. Control Z. Right. Then I'm going back to the lobby. So that's the Star Wars. The second level is from Bao, and this is the updated version of this damage system. So here you can run through really quick, but if you are hit, then you will be damaged. In this case, smashed. And also there is a lot of new, really cool development for the fireball system. So if you're not careful, you are easily be hit. I'm not a very good player, as you can see, but you can collect treasures. And idea is you want to go through all the challenges without be killed. I'm thinking if I if I be hit, I will die. So that's really cool level with fireballs. I will use Control Z to actually go back to the lobby. So this is a quick way. So third one is the I believe this is the dark forest project we showed last time a little bit. Fairly large. You can navigate through the whole forest. I believe there's many different trigger box. Some trigger box could pop up some sound, some audio files, some event. Okay, so I will just fly really high so you can see the path. It's a fairly large model. So I will use Control Z to go back to the lobby. And the next one is the flight simulation. This is updated version with the Google Earth, and here you can see a jet, and we are able to fly. We can see Cincinnati. This part is actually UC campus. For UC students, you guys should be pretty familiar with the business school, engineer school. This part is a stadium. You can definitely see the stadium. We put a Niagara system. So here there's a lot of jet flying here in the stadium, kind of like a swarm. So as you have to do is to destroy these alien towers. So if I shoot these towers, they will break apart. So the goal is to get rid of this alien tower. I think all the collision works pretty well. You can see these fragments, they sort of collide with the building very nicely. So here I'm able to see another one here. So I will just simply, not very good with shooting, but here we go. So you can see the fragment start to be damaged. Also, all the collision works. So here, if I just simply fly up, I see all the enemy jet, and also I'm going to just shoot the tower. The Unreal Chaos system gonna kick in and demolish the tower. So there's another tower somewhere here. So I can, shoot that tower too. Okay. So as soon as you destroy the tower, I think you could program the damage system, trigger the auto drone, drop down because it lost the master. I don't know. So that could be the idea of this game. Okay. But anyway, this is the entire UC. You can see the campus. We put a dragon here. The dragon actually has a fire, so you can see the particle system from the dragon. Let me just get closer to the dragon. Right, so you can see the fire right here. Okay, so that's a dragon on top of the UC tower, and also you see all the downtown, all the swarm right here. Okay, so Control Z and we'll go back to the main lobby. This take a little bit time to load because the last level is really large. So the next one is the bird war. This is really cool, by Chris. So you are a duck, I believe, and you have to run away. there is a boss bird somewhere. Yeah. So right, so you have to shoot the bird with cannonball, I think. So you have to dodge. Yeah, really cool. You see the bird is able to launch different projectiles. Yeah, as you can see, I'm not very good at this game. So Control Z, I'm going back to the lobby. So that's the birds. Then the next one, yeah, this is the same version as the chaos system. So just a really cool demo to see the system, how the physics works very well. Well done with students. I really like this alien-like tower you can, destroy. Okay, so all the physics works. Control Z, go back. I think there's two more. This is from Brooke, and the level uh, she has added voice, uh, so you are able to trigger different things. I think right now we have programmed the VR motion controller, so you can press a button to turn on, turn off. For in this case, I can turn on, turn off the light. There's other things like, for example, the uh, the skeleton or the other model can be turned on and off by using different triggers. Since I don't have the VR headset with me, I can't really demonstrate here. But this will work in a VR mode. Okay, so Control Z. I'm going back to the next level. Okay, so I will record one more time because that level definitely require an audio file. So I have this audio file now available. So when you get in the audio visualization, I can press M to pick a song. So here, if I just see cool, so here you can see the sound is actually given the animation. So I think that's pretty nice. I hope you can hear the sound. Okay, and then the last one, not the least, I think is I think we covered everything, right? The flight simulation. Yeah, the last one is just the demonstration. I think I already showed you guys before. This one is the entire town we got from marketplace. So the only way you can get back to the lobby, not using the Control Z because I didn't activate that shortcut. You have to go to the church, and then you have to. Oops, I don't know what happened. I think the collision doesn't. I think I'm stuck here. That's interesting. Yep. So in that case, you have to go to the church, and then you find the portal to go back to the lobby. Yeah, probably I should do the shortcut. It just makes things a lot of easier. So here I will. Oh, why? Oh yeah, I'm caught by the agents. If you recall, we still have the agents try to chase you. Um, oh no, I have to. Boy, hide here a little bit. Nope, no way. Yeah, sorry, this is a little bit unexpected. I was just hoping to show you really quick. Yeah, better fly. Okay. Okay, so you can go back to the lobby, just go into the church, and here's a portal to go back to the lobby. Okay, so I think this is all the levels in this class. I hope you guys all learned something new. So what I will do next, just show you quickly about these updates. I'm not going through all the BP script, so just show you really quick the plugins we used. I think we did a CCM for the Google Earth, we did Easy File Dialog, we did the Runtime Audio Importer, so these are the plugins. We didn't use DataSmith at the end. For the coding side, yeah, I don't think I'll need to go through every single level, but they all have a lot of new updates. Maybe I just point out a few things we did updates. So first, we'll go talk quickly about the dragon. So if you recall, the dragon on the roof has a fire. So basically, this is the technique if you have an actor, you can load the skeletal mesh, and then you can add a child actor on top of the dragon. And the child actor, I will show you here, is actually the particle system. Right, this particle system has sockets which linked to a bone. So this bone is IK head, right? So the bone is gonna, be the parent of this particle system. That's a reason why, uh, animate the dragon. You can see the fire will always go with the head. That's a really nice way. If you have a nested actors, you can have one actor be the children of another actor. So this is a really useful technique. Okay. So that's about the project with Dragon. And also, I will show you is for every single level, I add this code. So here, open blueprint, level blueprint. This code will be just input action. You open this lobby level. So that's the reason we can go back to the lobby all the time. So this input action is located in the project settings, and here in the input, this is the old school way. So you can have where is the input right here? So the input, I can have input to control go home. So this is one I use Z with control. So when you do control Z, you basically trigger this action, and then this action will allow you to open the lobby level. So that's the reason you can travel back. Alright, I think that's it. For the chaos system, I think is really super cool. I think students did a wonderful job. I can show you really quick. So Connor did is chaos system. So here for each tower, it has multiple fragments. Within these fragments, you are able to simulate physics. So that's the logic behind that. Plus, we put a Niagara system. This is called, let me see, just select that. It's a new Niagara system which simulate particles. So for this, we basically just create this particle spawn system with emitters. And what I did here is I did the spawn rate pretty low, only 2, so it's not overwhelming with too many aircraft. And also I checked the emitters life 50 to 80, so they live pretty long. And also for the force, I disabled everything except vortex velocity. So this allow this to move based on the vortex force. Of course, you can increase this. You can also control the axis to control the rotation. Right now it's along the Z, so it's vertical. And at the end, I use a mesh render. This is a way you can replace the spread of particles with a mesh. So in this case, I'm using the Sketchfab jet model, and here you can control the scale as well. So that is a particle system basically with Niagara, and then you can put them in your stage, and you can see all of these drones they are flying. This is actually a very cheap way. If you have thousands of flying objects, try to use Niagara. This is more efficient than actually animate a large number of actors. Okay. Another benefit is in the future, if you do want to increase the size or increase the speed, for example, I just add another 0 here, so 10 times faster. Maybe it's a little bit too fast. You can't really see them very well, but you see the drone is flying super fast. Probably not that fast, so I will move them back. Okay, so see them relatively easier. Okay, I think that's pretty much about all the updates There's tons of other updates. I don't think I need to go through one by one. But again, I think this is the conclusion of the whole project. The final step I'm going to do is to just simply package the whole thing into executable file. So I will do something like this. It might have some bugs or errors, so I will keep you updated on this final step. But other than that, I think good job for everyone. Thank you all. Let's conclude this project.